Today we're going to learn about the beginning sound. But first, let me introduce to you all the characters in Khan Academy Kids app. The first one, it's Cody. Next is Olo and Sandy. Next is Beck. And lastly, Rhea. Ready? Let's go!
The word cat starts with the k sound. If you add k to at, then that spells cat.
Fox begins with the f sound. Drag the letter F to the beginning of the word. F, f. Yay! You spelled fox. That's the word fox. Match the picture with its beginning sound.
Shark, truck, goose.
Match the picture with its beginning sound. G,
Sh, shark, truck, truck, goose,
g.
goose.
Good job! Spell the word coat. K, f, k, f, k, o, t, k, o, t. Good job! You spelled k-o-t. That's the word coat. Spell the word seal. St, st, s, e, l, e, l. Nice! You spelled s, e, l. That's the word seal. Spell the word deer. D, f, t, d, f, t, d, e, r. Great work! You spelled d, e, r. That's the word deer. Spell the word sheep. S, ch, sh, s, ch, sh, sh. E, p, sh, e, p. Awesome! You spelled sh, e, p. That's the word sheep. Spell the word van. V, k, t, v, k, t, v, v, a, n. Super! You spelled v, a, n. That's the word van. Slide the letters to spell the word pot. V, k, s, p, p. Good thinking! You spelled p, ought. That's the word pot. Slide the letters to spell the word can. D, n, k, m, k. Nice work! You spelled k-an. That's the word can.